Okay guys, this is a lightsaber from Walt Disney World, and this is disassembled, so I don't need to show you all that. But once you've disassembled it, this is what it looks like. And today we're just going to show you how to change the battery. So I've had this for a year or two now, and it's been fine. Obviously the bulbs, we took the bulb out, I mean the saber part. And yeah, you put your crystal in there, and this is the bit that I wasn't sure on, but so what you do is the battery's located in the base where the speaker is. That's where your crystal goes, and that's where your actual saber goes in. If you can see, there's the light bulb socket. So you want to grab this here, twist it, then pull it out. So then you're left with this module here. It's quite easy to put back in. You just twist it like that. So you twist and you just line up these grooves and holes, and clearly it says put it in there. Okay, so you've got the power bank here. So you want to replace the battery, you need to remove that screw, and it should all slide out, so let's do that. Okay, so that's unscrewed, so it will slide out like that. And there you can see there are 1, 2, 3 AAA batteries. So yeah, just replace them with some new ones, and then just reverse the process. So slide it back on, screw it all in, and there you go. Yeah, so put your new batteries in, slide it back on, put it back in there, and you should be good to go. So hopefully that's helped some of you out there. Thanks for watching.